Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Jung. Today I'll be giving my discussion 4.2 on a demo on how to use a matrix function and master it. So first of all, what is a matrix? A matrix is a data structure consisting of rows and columns. Rows go vertical rows go horizontal and columns go vertical. And so if you imagine it, it kind of looks like a table. So the matrix data structure is like a table-like structure, holding values. And so how do we use a matrix function? Let's see. Let's make a variable mat1, short for matrix1, and assign it using the matrix function. Let's use for the first argument a concatenate function. Usually it's going to be a concatenate function for the first argument in matrix. Let's assign it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second argument is going to be using the keyword and row. Let's assign it to 4, for example. What this means is we want 4 rows in our matrix. So the number that you make it equal to n row is going to be the number of rows that you want in your matrix. Uh, Third argument is also going to be similar. Keyword is going to be n col this time, short for n column. Similarly, n column, the value that you make it equal to resembles how many columns that you want in your matrix. For example, let's make it 3. And so if you notice, n row, we want 4 rows, and we want n column, 3 columns. What that creates is 12 spaces in our matrix. And so that's how many values that we have in our concatenate function. And so if you think about it, you want n row times n col, 4 times 3 to equal to the number of values that you have in your concatenate function. So that's going to be the number one key rule that you want to remember when you use it, whenever you use a matrix function. The fourth and last argument is going to be the keyword by row. For example, let's use true. Okay, let's first see what happens when we do this. Okay, and then let's print it. And so in the console window, you could see that it creates a matrix of 4 rows and then 3 columns. And it counts our numbers from left to right, row by row. And so what by row equal true does is you're telling the computer to count your concatenate list of values by row. So our matrix is counting by row from left to right. Let's see what happens if you make it false. And so by row equal false basically means by column. And so this new matrix that we just printed, it counts numbers column by column because it goes from top to bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, second column. And so this is what by row does and what its binaries do as a difference. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for the matrix function. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.